Hello and welcome to the channel. It's me, Kristofer Brooks. Now this may be of interest to you, and it's on the ico.org.uk, and it's the Information Commissioner's Office. Your right to get your data deleted. Now I know somebody that's just done this. They've had a confirmation from their council saying that his data has been deleted. So it's quite interesting, this. So let's have a look and see what this is all about, shall we? Just so you know, I will leave a link in the video description to the website, and from there you can then download the template which I'm going to read out shortly. Please do let me know what you think in the video comments, and I will speak to you all again soon. Look after yourselves, and bye for now.
What is the right to get your data deleted? The right to get your data deleted is also known as the right to erasure. You can ask an organisation that holds data about you to delete that data. In some circumstances, they must then do so. You may sometimes hear this called the right to be forgotten. When can I ask for my data to be deleted? The right only applies in the following circumstances. The organisation no longer needs your data for the original reason they collected or used it for. After you have cancelled your gym membership, the gym no longer needs to keep details of your name, address, age, and health conditions. You initially consented to the organisation using your data, but have now withdrawn your consent. You agreed to take part in a market research study, and now don't want to. You have objected to the use of your data, and your interests outweigh those of the organisation using it. You have objected to the use of your data for direct marketing purposes. For more information on the right to object, read Your Right to Object to How Your Data is Used. The organisation has collected or used your data unlawfully. It hasn't complied with the rules on data protection. The organisation has a legal obligation to erase your data. The data was collected from you as a child for an online service. You used social media or a gaming app as a child. The law gives children special protection, especially online, because they may be less aware of the risks and consequences of giving their data to organizations. Even if you are now an adult, you have a right to have your data erased if it was collected from you as a child. How do I ask for my data to be deleted? You should contact the organization and let them know what personal data you want them to erase. You don't have to ask a specific person. You can contact any part of the organization with your request. You can make your request verbally or in writing. We recommend you follow up any verbal request in writing because this will allow you to explain your complaint, give evidence, and explain what you want to happen. You will also have clear proof of your actions if you decide to challenge the organization's response. There are no specific words that you must use, but you may find it useful to use the template below to help you exercise your right to erasure. Your full address, your phone number, and the date. Name and address of the organisation, reference number, if provided within the initial response. Dear Sir or Madam, name of the person you have been in contact with, right to erasure, your full name and address, and any other details such as account number to help identify you. I wish to exercise my right of erasure under data protection law. Give details of what personal data you want erased deleted. You can find guidance on your obligations under information rights legislation on the website of the Information Commissioner's Office, www.ico.org.uk, as well as information on their regulatory powers and the action they can take. Please send a full response within 1 calendar month, confirming if you will comply with my request. If you cannot respond within that timescale, please tell me when you will be able to respond. If there is anything you would like to discuss, please contact me. Yours faithfully.